Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing Zoosk versus Facebook dating and which app is better for finding real matches. Let's get started. So let's go over some of the pros and cons regarding Zoosk and Facebook dating. Zoosk is specifically designed for serious relationship seekers, while Facebook is more focused on broader connections and maybe a bit more casual interactions. So as I said, Zoosk focuses on relationship building, finding compatible partners, and especially for long-term relationships. Whereas Facebook, again, is more for casual dating and not exactly the serious relationships that Zoosk is more likely to be looking for. So again, Zoosk focuses on serious dating, which can potentially reduce the risk of encountering users with ulterior motives or seeking only casual dating. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.